How's it going, everybody? Today is Wednesday, September 21st, and this is going to be my first attempt at trying to make some sort of a today vlog. So we'll see what happens. Thought I'd also show you guys my turtle. This is my turtle. His name's Slimer. He's really old. We got him about 13 years ago. Don't even know how old he is. Well, it's okay, turtle. It's okay. So, I'm on the phone with Staples, and I got this guy right here trying to get in my face. Hi, buddy. Oh, you got eye boogers. Yes, you do. Oh, and I got this guy too. Alright. He's hiding. There he is. There he is. Alright, so gonna go check on the laundry right now, see if it's done. Gotta switch that out. So I tried Windows Live Movie Maker last night, and that seemed interesting enough. So it seemed pretty easy to just cobble stuff up together. So that's giving me some ideas of stuff I'd like to do. Don't mind the mess. So yeah, I'm gonna go switch out here's the laundry room, by the way. Switch out the laundry. So yeah, I see you, kitty. I see him too. Alright, so I'm having a pretty pretty good morning. Getting a lot of stuff done. Got some laundry done. Got some laundry in the dryer. Did some phone calls I needed to do. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pull up a chair and watch Archer, because I have it recorded on the DVR, but I wasn't able to watch it on Wednesday or on Thursday when it aired. I just completely forgot about it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. It's 11 o'clock and I'm about to watch Archer. Look, you can tell. So yeah, got the laundry done, got the phone calls I need to get done. So friggin' rights, guys. Check to you in a little bit. The kitties. Look at the kitties. They're just friggin' going. My kids, they're just giving her. Oh, up. There you go. What do you say? What do you say? Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Being recorded again. How about you?
Mail somebody a finger shit, or... No. We're taking you back to man. To your mother. Get a bigger money. Awesome. Compared to finger mailing.
Alright, guys, so we just watched some Archer. It was pretty awesome. For those of you who watch Archer, it was part 1 of part 3, because we're doing only 3 episodes till next year, so that should be interesting. I got a little bit of a project to take care of for my mom, so I'll get going on that and talk to you guys in a little bit. Holy shit. Looks like one of my kitties thought it would be fun to make a mess while I was working on it. Ahem! Who was that? Was that you? Or was it your brother? Oh. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna make me some... Okay, got some pizza here. Look. You can tell. Gotta take this. Switch this in the microwave for a minute. cooks up a little bit. But yeah, I am going to go have myself some pizza. Should be delicious. I love me some leftover pizza because that's what I had for breakfast. Well, I sort of bowl of cereal when I realized the pizza wasn't going to do it. Oh boy, I am a bit tired, but I just got lots of stuff done. So yeah, sounds good, and talk to you all later. So I wanted to do something different. I just wanted to show, like, the outside front of my house. This is my house. Over there's the satellite dish, and this ain't zooming like shit. Garage. Silverado's over there. I don't know if you can tell in the light. Live on a pretty busy street. Over there's the local pizza restaurant and bar. They serve pretty okay pizza. Oh look! Uh-oh. Hi! There's a kitty. And my battery's going dead again for some freaking reason. So, oh look, kitty in the window. Hi. So yeah, battery's about to go dead, so talk to y'all in a bit. So I got the dishwasher ready to load up, so I'm just gonna load her up. They're in. And so the silence is absolutely killing me as far as like waiting to hear about this phone, because my dad called me yet again. He said, we'll keep an eye on it. They said 5 to 7 business days, but they're not telling, but he doesn't know. So I'm thinking it could be the Droid Bionic or the Droid Bionic or the Thunderbolt, or one of the or maybe the LG Revolution. We'll see. Whatever it is, it should be promising. Oh, more kitty, more kitty, more kitty. More kitty, more kitty. Dominic the cat thinks he's getting his son Tim. Look, you can tell. He's also lying on my hand. Got my arm connected to cat. Alrighty, boys. Guys.